Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And guys, I know I said that I would not upload more videos in this Audi A3, but the fact is I decided to share how to replace this windshield water pump, because I usually also watch YouTube videos and I also see how they do it, how they replace it, because sometimes there is a few tricks, and you know, YouTube it's pretty good guide when you want to do something. The fun fact is that I believe 100% of the videos that I saw to replace this simple pump, um in that videos, that creators disassembly or the bumper or the wheel arch or a bunch of things. So this is the old one. I already replaced mine. I decided to make this video because I want to save your time. And guys, please I hope at least that you watch this video before you want to replace this small pump and before start disassembly or the bumper or the wheel arch or whatever. And guys, it's way more easier than you imagine. You have an access that I only realized after I replaced mine. In my case, I released a little bit the wheel arch and a few under trims, and I just replaced it. I believe I have a few shots on my phone, and if I have it, I believe I have, I will show you. You know that remove the bumper or the wheel arch, it will take like a bit of time, let's say, a bit of time to remove it just to replace this small pump. And after I replaced mine, I realized that I have a pretty easy access to replace this pump. I'm gonna show you right now and save your time. So, this pump over here, it's right next, you can see it here, it's right next to the headlight, and the small secret, the fog light. So guys, if you remove this fog light, you will have enough room to replace this small pump. So, and guys, this is way easier. You don't even need any tool to remove this trim over here. You just need to pull out. You can see it. There is a few videos that showing that you need the tool trim. You don't need nothing. And guys, just look out. The pump is over there. But to be a little bit more easier, you just need to remove the fog light, which is 3 little screws. 1, 2, and right here another 1, 3. Okay, let me show you. Here it is, guys. If you want, you can disconnect this to avoid like have some accident or what. I'm not removing because I will not replace mine, okay? So guys, as you can see here, the pump is located over here. There is 2 hoses, and guys, as I told you, I already replaced mine. This is new. There is 2 clips on each side. This white and the other one is black. You just need to pull this clip. This clip don't need to come out, so just unclip a little bit, unclip the other side, and the hoses will disconnect. And to replace the pump, you just need to pull up the pump. Okay, you can see it here. There is a rubber that of course you should replace when you install the new one. Okay, this rubber right here, but you just need to, the pump is like this over there, you just need to, okay, pull it. Okay, then you install the new one with the new rubber, you get the connectors, okay, and that's it, guys. So guys, from here, as you can see, I have enough room to remove this pump, disconnect, whatever. And I don't need to remove all the freaking bumper or the wheel arch or nothing. Just remove the trim, the fog light, and that's it. So guys, let's assemble this back again like 1 minute, and that's it. So guys, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I said that I wouldn't make more videos with this Audi, but guys, I realized that this probably so many people, it's removing bumpers, wheel arch, trims, and just to remove this small pump. And guys, that's the reason that I decided to, I didn't replace mine as you saw because I already replaced it, but I decided to share it with you because I want to save your time and a bunch of work, because you can do this like in, I would say, max 5 minutes, and to remove a bumper you need at least 15 minutes. So guys, that's the only reason that I upload videos again in this Audi. This Audi is not a restoration project as I usually do in this channel. This is from a friend, and this car, to be honest, was not a good deal. It have a lot of problems, really bad assisted, and I'm always finding new problems on it. But that's not the point of this video. Probably I will not upload more videos in this Audi. Probably next videos, for example, I believe the next video will be review on a dash cam. And if you are watching my video for the first time and I save your life, not your life of course, but your time and money, don't forget subscribe, leave a thumbs up. That's really easy, it's free for you and will help me a lot. And guys, as usual, see you soon, stay tuned.